Hello my dear student, welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn about the natural vegetation of Greenland. The chapter was the land of snow, Greenland. So in this chapter we are going to learn the rest of the chapter. Yesterday we discussed about the green place of Greenland geography and their people and its territories, all other things we discussed. So today we are going to learn about their vegetation and wildlife. Here, very scarcity of vegetation. Few types of grasses are found there in the time of summer season, and this type of very short grasses, mosses and lynches, which is grow for a very short period of time. Wildlife. It is surprised to know that the place is very rich in wildlife. Various types of animals are found there. Reindeer, musk, ox, Arctic fox, huskies, Arctic wolf, polar bear, walrus, and so many other animals are also found. Huskies also are found. Beside these, there are hardly some birds are found also there. These birds are snowy owl, gull, puffin, and eider duck. Or also beside these all other some birds also found in this area. Butterfly, bees, such kind of insects also found. Now the people of uh, Greenland, the people of Greenland are called Greenlanders or Eskimos. They have black eyes, yellow skin, and they are very short height. They wear the clothes made by the animal skin, which is called parka. Their population is very small. The village also very small. They used to live in a special type of house which is called igloo. You can see the picture. Igloo is a type of house which is round shape and have a door, a small door. In this type of house they used to live. Occupation, their chief occupation is hunting and fishing, because there is no other things, so people used to the chief livelihood process is hunting and fishing. They use a type of harpoons, which is a type of weapon. By these they dig the ice and wait for they wait to come out seal from this hole. When the seal come out, then they attack it by the harpoons. Nowadays they use also guns to kill seals. Transportation, their transportation is very difficult, so they use a type of boat for hunting. This is called kayaks. Beside this, they also use a type of transportation vehicle which is called sledges, which is run by a group of huskies, a team of huskies. You can see the picture. This is a sledge and it is run by the team of huskies. There are sometimes 2, 3, 4, 5 like these huskies used to drag them, used to run them. So beside these also they are developing with the developing of technology. They are also developing new scientific methods and techniques are also going there, and people used to using motor vehicles and all other things which can run on the ice. Our normal cars and vehicles are not available there because the place is already always icy, so here is a different type of vehicles needed. Beside these, there are also nowadays hospitals, primary schools, all kind of education systems are there. Hospitals are there. People are getting education also there. The chief occupation of the national game of the Greenland is football. So with this, our chapter is over here. I hope you all understand. Thank you.